Hey, we interrupt your normal Wegs Garage programming to bring you this special Ford Focus themed edition of Wegs Garage. Just kidding. We got a beautiful day here in, I think it's November 10th. About 60 degrees out here. That's pretty nice weather for this time of year. We had some stuff we needed to take care of on Dad's car. Motor mounts were bad, so we decided to knock that out today while it's nice outside. So unfortunately, probably not going to get a lot of work done on the Triumph. We didn't get our parts that we needed for replacing the needle on the carburetor, and also got a lot of comments the last few weeks about the throttle shafts. We did actually order new throttle shafts for this car, for the carburetors. We're going to try that. They are a little bit loose. Yeah, there you can. So we're going to try putting new shafts in. You can tell the shafts are worn, not necessarily the body, so we're hoping that fixes it. But again, they didn't come in time today, so we did not get that done. So I don't know, we got a lot of other things we need to work on, obviously. It's getting pretty close to winter, so honestly it's probably not going to be a lot of driving anymore. We'll be working on getting the interior put together. We got a lot of little parts that we've ordered over the past few months, actually, like a lot of parts. Like this is a big pile of parts here. So we'll be putting that in. I don't know. We'll see if we got time today. I do have a new gasket for this valve cover. It just didn't seal up after the last time we took it off to get the timing set. So we got a new silicone valve cover, so that could be kind of a fun thing to show you how we put that in. Still need to replace the hood release. We got to fix this board situation here. So yeah, so there's a lot of stuff we got to do. Hey, let me know in the comments if there's anything you want to see us do on this car that still needs to be done. We'll try and make a video for that. But yeah, unfortunately, today we're just going to kind of enjoy the weather here. Got some family coming over for dinner, and it should be a good day. So yeah, anyway, we'll see you next time.